Guys, what's up? It's Abby and welcome back to my channel and welcome to an unboxing. I am like so excited to unbox this box. I literally got it off the doorstep, kind of wet because it's raining and mailman didn't care about the fact that there's a porch to cover it. And I just got here, I got home, I'm like, all right, let's unbox this baby. I'm so excited to do this. This is actually the first time I have ever purchased from e.l.f. Cosmetics.com. I like their products. I like their camo concealer. I like a lot of things. I've recently like kind of re-fallen in love with them. Actually, when I first started using makeup as a kid, I had tried it and had broken out from a really bad allergy. But now it seems like I don't have that problem anymore, where I could just buy all this makeup and enjoy it. The only downside to buying e.l.f. Cosmetics online was it took forever to get here. Like, I bought this May 23rd when they had a 50% off sale. And it is currently June 8th. And it was delayed, and so they gave me a $10 coupon for it being delayed. But I guess in some extent I thought it would take like a week, but I think my expectations were a bit high. I got free shipping on the order because I bought technically $30 worth, but since it was 50% off, it was like $60 worth. And so I'm just ready to open this thing. I'm like so excited. I'm kind of worried though because the box was a little beat up, and the one thing that really annoyed me about shipping though is they say it's shipped before it's actually shipped. And since it wasn't actually shipped, it's like they said my tracking information was sent to FedEx and it says shipped on the label so they could charge the card. But in reality, I don't think it was shipped until this week. And so it's just kind of weird. This box unboxing is strange. It's like, this is like a labyrinth of fold. But I guess it's to protect the cosmetics. But, well, some of it, I don't know what happened here. This is the Go Lip Tint. I gotta make sure I have everything since this is already ripped out. I don't know. Well, anyways, that didn't hold up there. I'm just assuming it was ripped in the box. Oh well, I've been dying to see this stuff, so let's check. I'm just like concerned. Like, did I get everything? I mean, what really kind of annoys me going off the top is they don't actually have my like list of items that I got, so I guess I need to pull that up online, which I guess saves paper. But I would like to see that everything was in check, like I could check it off. Yeah, but this packaging was completely annihilated off of that. Okay. Other than that one ripped package, the first thing I have in my unboxing that I bought is a pore refining brush mask tool. Let's make sure it's in here, because I got this tool specifically for my face mask. It's a little dirty. I don't know why it has dirt on it, but I'll just wash it off and clean it. There's even like a brushy tip on the other side, but this is kind of like a spatula tool to apply my face mask, and there's a brush side. I'm not sure what the brush side is for actually. I guess I need to pull up the order on my phone since I need to tell you prices probably. Okay, so now that I have my order pulled up so I can double check that I have everything, this is the pore refining brush and mask tool. It normally is for $5, but I got it for $2.50 since there was a 50% off site-wide sale. I think I'll like using this spatula tool. Gotta make sure to clean it off, gotta make sure I get this stuff all good, but I think it would be a good tool to add to my collection because I really like skincare and applying mask on. And so the next item I have that I'm gonna pull out, I might as well pull out the one that is used. I would be like dead if it was used. I would be like, what in the hell is this crap? But no, it's not Jaclyn Hill used. Okay, so Jaclyn Hill didn't have that problem, but this is the Gotta Glow Lip Tint, which is kind of a unique lip tint, and I'm really excited about it because it is weird in this sense, even though the packaging's all dinked up, and it normally is $6. I got it for $3. It's weird because it will change color based upon my lips, and I don't really know what it's going to look like and if I should try it now, or I might insert a clip of it a little later. But it is a color changing lip tint, so it's not going to be this pink necessarily. It may, who knows, it may literally be the same color as my lips. I like makeup that's the same color as my lips. I don't know. I'm just, you know, I'm doing my thing. So then the next item I'm going to bring in here is the Cooling Under Eye Refresh, which is a tool to kind of brighten and refresh the eye area underneath the eyes to improve puffiness and dark circles. I actually had gotten 2 of these guys because of the fact that I have dark circles, and you can actually, I'm even wearing concealer today, and it doesn't matter what kind of concealer I use, it doesn't matter. I'm going to start color correcting, which is another item I got in here, but I'm just kind of, I have bad allergies, and I'd like to try to see if this would improve my under eye dark circles. It may not. I got 2 because one's for my mom. I had bought stuff for my mom, and I was like, oh, I should buy it for her birthday early and everything like that, and I don't know. So I'll go into the next thing I got 2 of. Oh, by the way, the under eye roller was normally $3, so it is $1.50 is what I got on sale. Okay, then I got 2 of these. I got the color corrector for the under eye. This is for dark circles. I wanted to see if this would help color correct kind of my greenish dark kind of, sometimes they're really bad and really deep, and it's like, it's normal for me to have dark circles, and I kind of don't know what I look like without looking like a skeleton. So I think that would be interesting to try. And these are $4 a piece, so they were $2 on sale. Then here I got myself, I think, yes. Then I got myself a lip Kiss Balm. This is a tinted lip balm. This thing was $2, and so it was actually $1. This is kind of like, it is infused with A.E. and grapeseed oil and jojoba oil to help nourish and moisturize lips. So this is kind of like just a tinted chapstick. I honestly, like today, makeup wise, I have been taking like Halo Beauty Kiwi, and I like it so far, and I'm going to continue taking it. I may even do like a synopsis review of that, but I put on basically a tinted moisturizer by e.l.f, which is the Beauty Shield with SPF 50, and I put on some of the camo concealer in kind of certain areas, and I didn't really do much else than that. I think I used some clear mascara to kind of try to enhance my eyes, but I can't really enhance it without any volume or color. But I don't really like wearing lots of makeup to look heavy. I think I look best when you can see like my freckles. Even now my freckles are a bit masked, but you know, you can see, because my problem with makeup is that I am fair skinned to the point that when I put on makeup that is my appropriate color, it actually almost makes me look kind of sickly. And there's like a lot of uniqueness under my skin tone with foundations and whatnot. I like showing off the fact that I have red spots or like kind of things that make my skin less like a mask, because I do get washed out with makeup. And I know you could fix that with contour and everything, but whenever I seem to do contour or blush, or I always put too much blush on, and I have been using kind of a peachy color, a recommendation of one of my friends, and I always seem to overdo it, or like I always either go all the way or no way at all, and I'm working on my makeup. And speaking of eye stuff, I actually got a professional eyelash curler. The reason why I got this was because I think this actually may help me with my problem with kind of mascaras. I'm in like this weird boat where I like the look of some mascaras. Obviously, I like the look of mascara, but I also don't like it at the same time. Like, I like the fact that my eyes pop and you can see them and they're out and going, but I also don't like the fact that it looks like I'm wearing mascara. Very counterintuitive. I like kind of the spidery natural look, and I thought curling my lashes may be a way of me getting the look I want, because I feel like when I put on mascara, what ends up happening is I put on mascara and then I put on like 10 other coats of makeup, because I feel like the mascara looks abnormal if I don't wear anything else with it, and most of the time it's fine. But I think curling my lashes and putting either the clear mascara I have from e.l.f. or something else to kind of gel it in place. It may help me because I enjoy my lashes curled up, but I don't want them to be overpowering. But I like my natural lashes, and this is just a weird boat where I think curling them up may help me with the fact that I don't necessarily like wearing heavy duty mascara, but I also don't like, not like, sometimes when I put on, again, this is also the point that either I'm all in or not at all. If I put on too much foundation, like if I do get a foundation shade that I like and I kind of get my skin to look great and it's not too heavy, it's not full coverage, is not for me, I could actually get it to where I look too pasty, and then when I pump up my eyes with mascara, it like makes, or like my eyes look too like, my eyes look like they're blended into my face without mascara. But then I put mascara on and it just goes a whole nother direction to where I can't, I don't know. This itself was $4, so it was $2 on sale. And then I also got a baked highlighter, which is, I got it for my mother, but it's a pink diamond shade. I'm not sure, it might actually work for me since it's a pinky color. I will see what my mother wants and what she doesn't want. Who knows? But this itself was $4, so it was $2 on sale. And then I also got the Poreless Face Primer, which I believe, no, that wasn't the most expensive. Poreless Face, you know, it's the same, yeah, it was. It was $10, so it's $5 on sale. I got this for my mother. It's basically Vaseline. Yeah, well, there's a lot more into it other than Vaseline, but you can't see it on camera, but I kind of have some bad pores around my nose, and I feel kind of insecure about my pores around my nose, and so I think maybe if I could use a poreless primer with my sunscreen tinted primer thing and kind of put it all together, I think it would enhance my look. My mother says she liked it because I bought it for her, and I think I should try it, and I think I may like it, and I think it will roll with me and rock with me. And last but not least, I'm like looking at this like, oh no, it's not smashed. Okay, I had to hesitate. But this is the eyeshadow palette I had gotten. It's called Mad for Mattes. It was $10. Mad for Mattes Summer Breeze. I'd gotten this from my mother because of the fact that she cannot wear glitter shadows, and so she likes matte shadows because she like breaks out from anything with glitter or shiny, and she probably would actually even break out from this highlighter. And I thought, you know what? Let me just smash her highlighter. It's, you know, I think a nice eyeshadow palette like this would be really nice for her. And she likes mattes, and she has brown eyes and dark colors, and so she usually does kind of a dark eye look. Yeah, I mean, that's pretty much it. I did get everything, which I'm very happy about. Although, I don't know why this came kind of like a dog ate it, but it's here. It's a product, the packaging, whatever, smash it, whatever, pass it. But I'm happy with what I got. I was just a little disappointed with the shipping time. I'm disappointed with the fact that they say it's shipped, like, since they did compensate me for my first order being delayed, they gave me $10 and then they gave me free shipping. So what I did is I bought 2 more lip stuff. I love lip stuff, yet I never really wear lip stuff, but I bought sheer matte liquid lips, and I bought 2 of them. And so what they do is they say it's on its way, and they say, or they would say like they sent the information there and then they wouldn't send it for a bit. But I think maybe all my shipping delay and my first order was delayed from all the 50% off and just kind of the chaos. I did get everything I wanted. I did get the bonus items purely because of the delay, so I think that was worth the delay. I can try 2 products I was kind of iffy about adding to my cart. The fact that all these products were 50% off, so my total was like $30-something instead of $60-something is great. It's like, I don't know, I really want to try this. I'm just gonna, you know, just have fun. But yeah, that's kind of me all over the place today. But I'm so happy I got to open it because I've been wanting this package for like, I don't know. I'm just a bit crazy. So with that, that's the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'm sorry I'm crazy, but you know what? I'm just so excited. I just can't hide it. I'm about to lose control and rip out my e.l.f. things. Oh my gosh. But let's, what is this? Oh, it's twisty. I'm sniffing makeup, Mom. Don't kill me. I'm sniffing makeup.